guys, welcome back to our channel, Learn, Do, Teach Hairstyles. For those who don't know us, my name is Carrie and this is my daughter Gracie.
Hi everyone!
This channel is all about learning new and different hairstyles. So if this is your first time here, we would love for you to subscribe. And if you're already a subscriber, we thank you and we love you guys so much for your support.
Today we're going to be showing you guys how to do another heart-shaped hairstyle. So let's get started.
Anything I use in this video, I'll leave a link in the description box below. The first step you want to do is take the side pieces here and go ahead and bring it back. I'm going to wet it a little bit more right here, just to tame those flyaways. I don't like to put too much hairspray or gel or any product if I don't have to. So I'm just going to go ahead and just spray a little bit. And at the end, I'll just put a little hairspray. Now I'm going to smooth this out, making sure that this part here is smooth. So I'm going to take an elastic band and secure this part right here. The next step is you're going to take a section right here, just take a part of that hair right here. And let me wet this down first. Take your 2 fingers and bring it over this strand and go up through this here. Take this strand, put it in between your fingers, and then go ahead and grab it and pull right through. Okay, so you're going to do the same thing you did here over on that side. Lift it up a little bit and just grab a little section right here. I'm going to wet it down a little bit. So you're going to grab the same amount you did here over there. Okay, so again, you're going to go ahead and put your 2 fingers right up over this strand. Lift this ponytail up and put your 2 fingers in between these strands. Now take the tail and grab it with your 2 fingers and pull right through. Now you're going to take this tail that you pulled through and this one too, you're going to go ahead and secure it together. Make sure you like where it's positioned, and when you have it to where you like it, just go ahead and secure it off with an elastic band. I'm going to bring down this elastic band a little bit. And there's your little heart. You could do whatever you want. You leave it like this and put little accents of hair pieces into it, or you can go ahead and braid the sides if you like. I'm just going to take a little bit right here and go ahead and braid it. So I'm going to wet it down a little. I'm just going to go ahead and do a 3-strand braid all the way down. And before I secure this off an elastic band, I'm just going to go ahead and pancake them out on both sides. Okay, I'm going to hold this with a clip just temporarily and do the same thing here, over there. I'm going to go ahead and combine this one with this one together. Take this clip off, bring them together, secure it off with an elastic band. Okay, and there you have it. You can go ahead and put a little accessory in there. I'm just going to put it right in between this elastic band here. And one more right here. There. Put a little hairspray, just tame those flyaways. There you have it. Final spin. Thank you guys so much for watching. We hope you enjoyed this tutorial and find value in it. Now, if there's a style that you would like us to recreate, please leave a comment down below.
We love feedbacks. Let us know about your success of following our videos and what parts we might be able to improve on. Also click on the notification bell right next to the subscribe button.
Help support our channel by clicking the links in the description. This helps us to continue making videos for you. So I'm trying to decide whether or not to cut Gracie's hair right here in the back of her back here, or to leave it long, or maybe even trim it a little bit. What do you guys think? Leave a comment down below to let us know. If you get a little hungry, check out our other channel, LDT Eats. In the meantime, don't forget to give us a thumbs up and click our logo below so you don't miss any of our upcoming tutorials.
To watch more of us, click on over there. Love you guys. Until next time,
Learn it, do it, and teach it to others. Bye guys, God bless.